In this video, I'm about to teach you how to steal. So before we start, let's just say a prayer for forgiveness. Now let's do it. I'm very sure most of you don't know about this, but with DaVinci Resolve, with just one click, you can steal the look from some of your favorite movies. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to steal the looks. Just one click, guys. Just one click. All right, that's enough talk. Let's jump into DaVinci Resolve. And this one is going to be a very quick one. And I'll just show you what you probably have been sleeping on. And there's a caveat to it. Okay, so the clips I will be stealing from today are popular movies. These are movies that you probably love. I love these movies, so I went for these particular clips. It depends on whatever you love. You can download the trailers and take the exact shots. So what you have to do is just to cut the bit that you want. So for example, this part, this Joker scene, there's also another one here. I've just taken it from the trailer because I like the look here. So I'm going to use some of these shots to just show you how you can steal these looks, basically. This is a verbal bridge, and I just put this picture. This is like a still image from the film. This was probably one of the promotional pictures, just to show you that you can actually steal from a picture also. If you like the grain of a picture, you can steal from it. Some of the shots I put on the timeline are these ones. I got some of these clips from ArtGrid. It's ungraded, there's nothing on it. If you look at the notes, there's nothing there, just so you guys see what we're doing exactly. When I say we're stealing, we are really stealing. So that's what is here. Nothing is here. It's just very clean. I'm not using any node tree today. This is another shot here that I took also from ArtGrid because I like the look of it and I want to just see what it looks like when I steal this grid. This one is also a guy dancing, and I want to, I like the fact that it's in the same world with the Joker where he was dancing. This one, I think it's something similar to Rebel Bridge. So I just got a couple of clips that are kind of similar, just to show you guys practically how this really works out. All right, so I'm going to start now with this shot. There's a shot match this shot to a couple of the shots on my timeline, just a few of them, just so you get the vibe of what it does. So I'm going to say, if I want to steal the Joker look, I'll click this shot and I'll click the one I want to steal from, and I'll right click and I will say shot match to this clip. And voila, that's it, stolen the look. Right there, you can see, if I'm going to compare these clips, if I click both of them and I come to here and I say selected clips, you guys can see what it has done for me. See the difference? It's stolen the DNA, the color, the tail, the grains in the shots has been stolen, and this is an interior shot, so of course it's kind of different. So what you would do if you want to kind of improve it is to right click. So let's click on the shot we want to do stuff on. Right click and say add node, add serial before. Then you can come here and now darken this shot and just kind of, push it closer to the world that you're looking for, if that's what you want to do. But that's what this has done. With one click, we've basically stolen the look from the Joker. So let's try another shot and see what it will give us. I'm going to try this shot and I'm going to see how this can copy into that shot. So let me go and reduce this shots also. I want just that bit, this bit where it's on the floor. I don't want this wide one. So let me just trim it so that the software can really work efficiently. So backspace, delete that, come here, and this is the part I want to steal, this look. So let me take this shot and see what happens. So again, select your shot, select the one you want to steal, hold your Windows or your command button and say shot match to this clip. And that is it, stolen. You guys can see, even though right now it's extreme, if you want to reduce that, you can come to key, you can come here to your key and reduce the intensity of that look. You can reduce it and say, okay, I don't want too much. And right now it has stolen that look and put it on your clip. It might not be a perfect one because your shot is different from how they lit this shot. This shot was obviously lit warm. This wasn't warm enough. But let's try another shot and just see how much this will do. So I'm going to this one I'm looking forward to. I'm going to select this one and select this dance scene where the Joker was dancing in this greenish room. So let's see. Click that, hold your Windows button or your command button and say shot match to this clip. And this is spot on. Guys, look at it. Just look at it. This is a grade that you've created from just stealing the Joker look. This is really, really, really spot on. If I need to improve this now, all I have to do again is to right click and say add node, add serial before, and then I can pick this one and then darken it a bit, just to bring it to the closer to the word of the Joker. Let me see if I come here and I say, let's compare both shots. You can see what's going on right now. So I'm going to add more contrast. For example, I'm going to add more contrast, increase this a bit. And let's have both of them dance beside each other. Play. You can see that if you look at it very well, you will see that let's say the warmth of this guy is too much. We don't want that warmth in his skin. We can go to our curves, go to our hue versus saturation, and reduce saturation of the reds. Just take it down. And just so you guys see what I did, came to hue versus saturation, and I reduced saturation of the reds and the yellow. And that's it. The shot is close. See? It's in the same world. You would think he's in the next room doing this dance. And that's just with one click and a couple of tweaks. All right, let's move on to the next one. I hope you guys are having fun, because I am having fun. I love to show you some of these things. This is something I've known for a long time, and I just never showed you guys. So I'm sorry, I apologize. So let's try this shot and see if it matches with this one. That's probably going to be me pushing it, but let's see. So I'm going to select that and select this one. This is a shot in Red Bear Ridge, and I'm going to select this one and select this one. Then right click and say, shot match to this clip, and see. It's actually close. The only thing is this is an exterior shot and this is a different shot, so it's not giving exactly. Let me see if it compares to this still shot. Let's say shot match to this clip. Let's see what it does. Okay, I'm still not liking this. It's not giving what it should be giving. So let's try to take this shot and steal a look from these shots from the Joker. Let's see what this does. So take this one, come here, right click and say shot match to this clip. Oh, that's intense, but I like the vibe, but it's intense. So I can come to my key, like I said again, and take this down. Okay, because I'm just borrowing the look. I don't want everything. I don't want to steal it so much. So see before, this is what we had before, this is what we have after. Of course, there's a yellow there that is screaming. I'm going to take care of that yellow. And if you want us to do that together, why not? That's why I'm here for you guys. So again, come there, right click, add node, and say add serial before. Then you know what we do, right? In case you don't know, I'll show you. Come to your hue versus saturation, come to your yellows, and take the yellows down, because the yellows are jumping. Take the greens down a bit too, so it's not crazy. And see before and after. That's it. There you go. That's the look. Let's say we're not happy with that look. We want to do something else. Of course, why not? Nobody's going to stop you. You are the colorist. You can do whatever you want to do. So let's select that one and say, okay, let's steal from here. Let's see what happens. Short match in this clip. That is insane. We're not doing that. So this is obviously not working. And, that happens. There's some shots that you would do and they won't work out. But you're stealing, remember? And when you're stealing stuff, it's not like you have a lot of options like that. You just, wherever comes, you take it. So let's take from here and see. Okay, I want to see what this does. This and this shot. So apply, so let's say shot match to this clip. It darkened everything out, which is insane because this shot is a bit dark. So let me go and remove the dark part of this shot and just keep it to the part where there's blue in the shots. Because what the software is doing is it's looking at the shots and just taking everything that you can see, the color information, and just trying to replicate that in your own frame. So let's do it again. And hopefully this time we'll get something reasonable. I'm going to update all thumbnails. Yep. So come here, click this one, right click, shot match to this clip. And let's do it again. Right click, shot match to this clip. It's not doing anything, strangely. Okay, that's strange. That's very strange. It's not doing anything. It's not answering me anymore. It doesn't want to steal today, which is unfortunate because we want you to steal. So let's do that again and see if that will work. Short match to this clip. It's not changing, so it's not taking this clip for some weird reasons. Let's try it with this guy, with this one of him crying. Let's see what that does. Right click and short match to this clip. Okay, yeah, this worked. So what will you do with this one again? Guys, don't forget, you can come to your key and take it down. And you don't have to stop there also. You can still go ahead and let's create a node before. Add node before. You can go ahead and tweak things. You can take your You can change your white balance. You can basically do everything else that you would do. This can be your starting point for your grade, and you can decide to build your look from here. See? You can push some greens out of the shadows. So push some warmth into a skin tone because the skin is a bit tinted by the greens. And you can, you can still do things. It's not like once you have that, you can't do anything else. You can still do your hue versus saturation, hue versus hue. I'm going to do hue versus hue and swing the greens, swing them a bit, swing them away a bit, swing the yellows a bit, you can see. So you can do a lot still. That can be it can almost be like an LET for you, If I take it off now, you'll see what happens. See, this is what we had. And this is me building a look underneath it. So this is a way that you can quickly get looks and start your look. These clips that I'm using are not high resolution clips. They're just things that I just gathered to just show you guys quickly. If you get like proper clips that are, this is like a 720p YouTube download. If it was something that was properly like a proper clip, then you will get better result because you have more information in that clip. Okay, so let's try this and this guy and see what happens. Short match to this clip. You can see how I changed the color, and it's just basically taking this color and taking it and putting it here. That is what happens when you still. So let me try this again and see what happens with this guy. Short match to this clip. So there's a problem with this clip and it's not responding. I'm going to try again. Short match to this clip. Yeah, there's a problem with this particular clip. So it's not responding properly. Let's try this particular one too. I feel like there's an issue with this clip also. Yeah, this clip also has a problem. For weird reasons, it just goes black. And this is one of the things that you would encounter when you're trying to do this trick. It works most of the time, but there are times when it would give you this headache. Which is why, most people don't use it. It's just one of the tricks that you can use from time to time. And who knows, it might just work for you. It might just work for what you're trying to do. So I'm going to just try a couple more stuff and see. Yeah, so this works perfectly. This is fine. And like I said, you can easily stick grade on top of it. You can push colors around. And this can be something that I can save as a look and start to use on someone's film. So it's quite easy. And it's easy to get, your shots ready with this. Go to my log wheel and push out some greens. And right there, I've got a look from nowhere. This is what I had before. It was far from what I have now. And it's just in one note. So you don't have to complicate things every time. This is a very nice tool to have in your toolkit. It's something you might want to use at some points. Who knows? You never say never. I think so far this is the best one because it was just perfect. It just really took the DNA from here. So that's it. Done. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, drop a comment in the comment section. If not, drop a comment in the comment section. Did you know about this trick? And if you're just finding out about this trick, then you're welcome. Now you are safe. Now you can steal any look that you love. You can go and look for your favorite frames now and start trying to replicate that on your films or your music videos. So if there's a particular music video look that you like and you've shot something similar, you can actually use this tool to extract the look and start to build upon it. And hopefully you won't need a colorist like me to finish your work. Hopefully. One other thing you need to take note of is the fact that your shots must at least look close to the reference. You can't shoot something that is colorful and bright and want it to look like a Joker. It probably might not work as well. But as long as your shot looks in the world of the movie you're stealing, then there's a chance that you will get like a perfect match and nobody would know. People would think you're an amazing colorist. As long as you can balance the shots and make everything look great. I'll be dropping more videos like this where I'll be showing you some of the secret tips and tricks in DaVinci Resolve. And if you're not convinced to switch DaVinci Resolve now, then I can't help you. I don't know what to convince you anymore. Leave your software, come over to the winning side and be one of the DaVinci Resolve users. Just so you guys know, I also use Final Cut. So all this is I'm saying sometimes is overhype. Please use whatever software works for you. As long as you understand the fundamentals of color grading, you can apply this in Final Cut and Premiere Pro. And by the way, if you guys want me to do color grading tutorials using Final Cut or Premiere Pro, I'm happy to do that because I can also use those softwares very well. So if that's something you're looking forward to, drop a comment in the comment section and let me know. If I get enough people asking for it, then maybe I'll do it. To the next one, take care of yourself, keep shooting, keep filming, keep color grading, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.